Hello, Nanny Janny here. Here's just a few excerpts of our adventures today. Hope you enjoy them. We were seeing about having a game of baseball. Go on then, are you near enough? See if you can hit it. Oh, rubbish.
I want to try.
Yeah, you hit it. Yep. Throw it. See if I throw it at you, if you can hit it. Once more, and then Idle can have a go. Give it to Idle, see if he can hit it. Oh, that went a bit wonky. Here we go. Nope. Oh, you're the only one that can catch.
I want to try.
Good one. Oh, you're going to whack it. Split it. That went. That. And look, did you know, here you go, did you know that if you hit the apple core with a knife, it disappears? So we won't have,
good to know.
Won't be around all the time. Was it you that showed me that?
Yeah, this morning.
Yeah, so that was a handy tip, wasn't it? I'm going
Just,
It's
the potion that does that.
What does it?
Potion that does that.
She looks so beautiful.
Why have I found 10
That would
red
be
iron
good
on
for
the ground?
Halloween.
I just found
That's
10
fine.
red
You
iron.
must
have
That's fine.
You could-
growing mushroom that.
That will make you look like a ghost for Halloween.
Right, fill up your cauldron with water and we will continue.
I've put
the
a
next
cauldron
one.
right here.
to go and fill up thy cauldron with water.
Bubbling.
Right, get the fires going.
Right, yours is the middle.
Wait, is this my one?
Yes.
Can
need
you
to
light
light
the
them.
flame?
Can I change my soup a bit? Can I add some other ingredients
Thank
to my
you.
soup?
Right, let's
yes.
see.
No, it's just a stew. You have to
Boiling.
Just
put
tomatoes.
four tomatoes, yes.
Am I on this one?
Okay.
Yes, you're on that one. Idle, you're on the middle one. Nanny Janny, you're on the right one.
Okay.
I didn't see the flash.
Yeah, I have to put another one.
We're out of tomatoes, crap.
Another one. Yep, there you go. Whenever it goes black, you have to take it off. If it's white, it's still cooking.
I'm glad I don't have to cook like this at home.
Idle,
I
yours
don't know
has
when to-
stopped, yours has stopped boiling. So put it down.
All I see is white smoke. I hope I should...
Yeah, whenever it goes black and you see like a little poof, that means you have to take it off.
So if you look away, you can miss it.
Yep, okay, take it off.
I think I've messed up. Oh,
Okay, now yours is boiling now. Yeah,
Should I
just
get
leave your cauldron
bowls?
take it
Should
off.
I get bowls or ladles?
just leave your cauldron there. I'm gonna try them. in
It's
a
not
minute.
done. Put it back on.
Yeah, whenever it goes black, you have to take it off.
If you
it gone
keep
black
looking
yet?
at keep
No.
looking at it, I think
Whenever the
there's
white
I saw a
smoke
puff. Oh,
turns
yours
black.
just puffed. Idle,
Yeah.
I just saw a puff on yours.
Yeah, whenever it goes grey and black smoke, that means you have to take it off.
Oh,
The hell?
quick! Take your
No,
hands
it's
off. Is there still some in it?
Yes. Okay,
Oh, I'm
take it
getting-
off.
no. Wait,
Is it true that it's
Stop!
better to take your hands away fast? That's what someone said, and I don't know if it's true.
All right.
Oh,
So, is
Hey,
it?
can you please stand my cauldron? It's broken.
yes.
Huh.
Thank you.
Oh, now we have to fill it up with the ladle. What do we use with the ladle?
A bowl? Should I get bowls?
I'm gonna test.
He's going
Hey,
to
it's
taste them.
Connor. Oh,
Is
it's
it
just
Connor.
Already?
It's just starting.
get another cauldron and make tomato soup.
Yeah, you can. I'm done, so you can take mine.
Yeah, I'll light yours, Connor.
I'm gonna get my gourd.
The one is there.
Wait, I'm doing it?
I
a good
made
idea,
tomato
filling the
soup
gourd.
for the first time. Let's see whether it's
This is my
enough.
first time. Whoa. That's full. So.
I should have
Right,
put some
Connor,
salt in.
yours is boiling. You have to put four tomatoes in it. In that
4 tomatoes?
cauldron. 4,
Here's
yes.
three.
Over there.
Here's
I'll grab
three.
some off a bush if you need some.
Connor,
I might have
here's
to get a
three.
bowl for this. This one's being stripped.
Is this one, you said? Or these two?
That one, I think. Whoop,
Which
it's
one?
not filling up. Well, you're going to be making it over there. Oh,
What?
It's going a bit crazy. Oh, it's going a bit crazy, isn't it?
Is it not done?
it doesn't want to fill.
I need
So,
one more
try.
tomato. I want to make it.
It went puff.
Yeah, it's done.
I can't make it. I don't have
Maybe
another
it's
tomato.
glitched.
Just use the ladle then.
I brought 2 extra pots here. Remember? There should be 2 extra cauldrons, so you can grab a cauldron and
Well,
just use
that looks
pot.
fine. So I'll call that fine, since I can't get nothing inside it.
Let's taste mine.
Yeah, where's the ladle gone?
Here, I was tasting mine out of it. You want to wipe it?
No, it's fine. Looks like there's some mushrooms in here.
Oh, I didn't know you could add extra things. I just put salt.
There were no tomatoes left, so I had to improvise. I had no
Oh.
tomatoes left.
Improvise. Do some tomato. Yeah, it's good.
It's good. It's good. It sees
Yeah,
its
I'll
health
check
go up.
the nutrition.
Oh. Can
Right.
you see?
This
is
is
there
not
any
going to
in
go to
here?
waste, so we're going to try put some. Yeah,
Is
try
there
put
any
it
in
gold.
here? That's from mine. I thought it was some. I've never filled one before.
Yeah, there's nothing in the gourd.
Oh, so nothing. Mine won't.
Oh,
Mine's
no.
glitched.
Might have to pour it in.
I bet it won't work if it wouldn't fill the other way. Well, that was kind of negative. It'll work.
Yeah, it's worked.
It's
Oh, yay.
delicious.
It's worked.
Oh, good. Look, it's all popping out the end of it.
Oops. I'm glad my dogs aren't here. They wouldn't care if they got in trouble. They'd be stealing stuff. They're terrible.
Right, we're not going to put this to waste, so you can keep that.
Thank you.
Great. So,
Yes,
what's the results?
good. Actually, I haven't. Yeah, I tested them. That's good. Yours is good. And that's good.
It's a tie.
Yes.
Did
You
anybody
all
add
get 2
extra?
points.
Oh, yay! Woohoo!
Yeah, to put something else because there was no tomatoes left.
All right. So it's a draw.
Yeah, so you all get 2.
Oh, I would have looked for some.
We all get 2 points. Thank you
Right,
for organising.
Woohoo for 2!
That was really good.
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna see what the next
one
one's
thing
going
though.
to be.
Okay.
Well, I'll be nice and full.
But what is the next one we're doing?
Are we doing another one now?
I didn't mean to take that
Yeah.
off.
Just refill your cauldron with water.
I'm glad I filled them yesterday.
This is what we're going to be doing. Thank you for joining us. Hope you had fun. We did too.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.